Good day, Miss Christine. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Christine Ilaw Bacor, 29 years old. I'm a single. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. My father is a driver and my mother is a housewife. I am college graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 5 years, since 2010 to this November 2015. My major duties are taking care of a baby aged 2 years old.
Can you tell now your daily activities on how you take care of the baby?
Sir, madam, I have to feed the baby, change the diaper, taking a bath, and I love the baby very much and treat them as my own child.
Aside from taking care of baby, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Managing all the household tasks in home.
And what are the reasons why the baby is crying?
There are many cases where the baby is crying. Maybe the baby is hungry or need to change the diaper, or the baby is not feeling well.
And do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam. I know how to cook Filipino food and Arabic food.
And do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
The responsibilities of being the domestic helper is know how to handle her time in order to finish her work earlier. If you assign to care the baby, you must pay all your attention with them, and you must follow the rules of your employer.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to earn more income to sustain the needs of my family.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Have a good day, ma'am, sir. I hope you considered me to employ me, and I promise to do my best to serve your family. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I am willing to finish my contract.
Thank you very much, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly show your best smile.